Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to the channel. Just wanted to show you guys what I'm towing. This is a 7x18 5,200 pound tandem axle on a pressure cleaning business here locally where I live at. I just weighed this thing not all that long ago. The trailer by itself weighs just a hair over 10,000 pounds. But I wanted you guys to see what I was towing around. I mainly do a bunch of stopping and going around town and stuff, so I don't do a lot of highway pulling. Excuse the trailer, it's really nasty. But this is what I tow on a daily basis. It's got a 525 gallon water tank, and it is completely full for this video. That weighs about 4,350 pounds with a full tank. Got a hot water unit, toolbox in the front full of hand tools and parts and miscellaneous stuff. Pump up sprayer, surface cleaner, cooler, fuel cell, you know, some gas jugs. Got all my stuff in here I need, ladders. I got the cruise set on 70. Right now the truck is averaging 10.6. Like I said, I got a little over 10,000 pounds behind it. Might as well just call it 10,000. It is relatively humid outside. 90 degrees and humid as hell as always in South Carolina. Well, I don't know if you can see it too great, but it's hard to tell. But anyway, the boost gauge is on 0. Remember, this truck is ProCharged, so it's got about 650 foot-pounds of torque. So big difference between stock and the way it is now. Went about 15 miles on the interstate so far, basically 70 mile an hour, and it is holding 10.7, 10.8 miles per gallon. Alright guys, I know the video is short, but I did not want to drag it out and be a 30-minute video like it would have been. Some of my footage was lost with my GoPro, but I hope you enjoy what I have. And if you want a part 2, I have enough content to put a part 2 together, but at least you see pretty much the fuel mileage I'm getting with the weight that I'm carrying. Please like and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. Guys, this truck is the Tremor, so it has the 430 gears as well. Those of you that are worried about fuel mileage, I would not let the gears stop you. The 355 gear, if you're not going to pull very much, you know, 355 gear does fine. I have a buddy that's got a couple of trucks. One or two of them have 355 gears, and he's totally happy with it. He did say the 430, you know, has more low-end power as far as towing. But if you're towing and you're concerned about fuel mileage, I wouldn't be, because the difference in fuel mileage with the 430 and the 355 is not very much difference. I mean, you might be talking about a mile per gallon difference. It's just not very much.